Good morning, students. Today you will learn about estimating the sum and estimating the difference. I'll be teaching you one question of each exercise 2.11 and 3.12. Today I am going to discuss two exercises with you, that is 2.11 and 3.12. And I'll be discussing only one part and the other part you will try on your own. Okay, so let's begin with exercise 2.11, that is based on estimating the sum. So question number 1, estimate each sum by rounding off the numbers to the nearest tens. Also find the actual sum. So students, here you are required to round off each of these numbers to nearest tens. Okay, so you will calculate the estimated sum also and you will calculate the actual sum also, and you will see the difference between the two. Okay, you will compare those two sums. Okay, now so first A part is 82 plus 46. This you have to find out. So first of all I am rounding off each of these numbers, that is 82 and 46. So when you are rounding off to nearest tens, just recall the rule that you have to focus on the ones digit. If it is nearest tens, then you will concentrate on one place less. Okay, that is, if it is, you have to round off to nearest tens, so you will concentrate on the ones place digits. Okay, so here 82 is rounded off to, now here at ones place, which digit is there? It is 2. Now 2 is less than 5. Okay, so what you will do? You will replace this 2 by 0. So estimated number will be equal to 80. Similarly for 46, you will concentrate on the ones place digit. Here it is 6, which is greater than 5. So you have to replace the 6 by 0 and you will increase the tens place digit by 1. That is, 46 will be rounded off to 50. Okay, so actual numbers are 82 and 46. Now you will calculate the sum. First of all I am calculating for estimated sum. Okay, so 0 plus 0 is 0, 8 plus 5 is 13. So my estimated sum is 130. Similarly, you will calculate the actual sum, 82 plus 46. So 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 4 is 12. So this is my actual sum. Thus, what do you notice? That the estimated sum differs from the actual sum by 2. There is a difference of 2 between these two sums. Okay, estimated and actual sums. This is how you will solve your question. So B part you will try on your own, that is 87 plus 29. First of all you will round off each of these digits to nearest tens. Okay, then you will find out the estimated sum and the actual sum, and then you will write down the concluding line that what difference do you notice between those two answers. Okay, let us come to question number 2. Estimate each sum by rounding off the numbers to nearest hundreds. Also find the actual sum. So students, A part is given to you 252 plus 687. So now here you are required to round off these numbers to nearest hundreds. Whenever you are rounding off to nearest hundreds, you have to concentrate on the tens place digits. Okay, so first number is 252. It will be rounded off to, now here which digit is at tens place? It is ones tens, so it is 5. 5 is lying at tens place. Now 5 is equal to 5. This digit is equal to 5. So what will be the estimated number? So here it is 5. That means you will replace these two digits by 0 and you will increase the hundreds place digit by 1. That means 252 will be rounded off to 300. Okay. Similarly 687. Now digit at tens place is 8. 8 is greater than 5. That means you will replace the ones and the tens place digits by zeros, and you will increase the hundreds place digit by 1. That means 687 will be rounded off to 700. Okay, actual numbers are 252 and 687. Now separately find out the estimated sum and the actual sum. My estimated sum is 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 7 is 10. My answer is 1000. That is the estimated sum. What is the actual sum? 252 plus 687. 2 plus 7 is 9. 5 plus 8 is 13. 3 here. You will write down below. 1 will be carried over. 6 plus 2 plus 1 is 9. That means the estimated sum differs from the actual sum by 61. Okay. So this is how you will perform this part. Now B part you will try on your own. That is 584 plus 192. Now coming to the next topic, that is estimating the difference. Here we will discuss exercise 3.12. Okay. So you will calculate the difference also in the same way as you have calculated the sum. Okay. How? So in the first question it is given, estimate each difference to the nearest tens. Check the result by calculating the actual difference. Now first A part is given to you as 52 minus 17. First of all you will round off these numbers. 52 will be rounded off to. Now see, 52 you have to round off to nearest tens. That means you will concentrate on the ones place digit. Here ones place digit is 2, which is less than 5. That means you will replace the ones place digit by 0. Okay. So 52 is rounded off to 50. 17. Now in this 17 the ones place digit is 7, which is greater than 5. That means you will replace the ones place digit by 0 and you will increase the tens place digit by 1. That means 17 is rounded off to 20. Okay, actual numbers were 52 and 17. Now separately find out the difference. First of all I will find out estimated difference. So 50 minus 20. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 2 is 3. My estimated difference is 30. What is my actual difference? 52 minus 17. 2 minus 7. Now you can see 2 is less than 7. Okay, so you cannot minus. That means this number will borrow 1 from the number on the left side. So this you will strike this 5 here. You will write 4 on top. You will strike this 2 also here. You will write 12 on top. So 12 minus 7 is 5. Then 4 minus 1 is 3. That means my actual difference is 35. The estimated difference differs from the actual difference by 5. I hope you have understood. B part you will try on your own. 73 minus 59. Okay. Similarly you will try this part also. Let us come to question number 2, which says estimate each difference to the nearest hundreds. Also find the actual difference. A part is 375 minus 168. Again I will be rounding off these numbers to nearest hundreds. For this I will concentrate on the tens place digits. So 375. Here digit at tens place is 7, which is greater than 5. That means I will replace the ones and the tens place digits by zeros and I will increase the hundreds place digit by 1. So 375 is rounded off to 400. Similarly 168, here also the tens place digit is 6, which is greater than 5. That means I will replace the ones and the tens place digits by zeros and I will increase the the hundreds place digit by 1. That means 168 is rounded off to 200. Okay. Similarly, this is the actual number. These are the actual numbers: 375, 168. Now, first of all, I will find out the estimated difference. So, 400 minus 200. Draw these two lines. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. So, my estimated difference is 200. Here, you will again calculate 375 minus 168. Now, 5 minus 8. This is not possible. So, this 5 will borrow 1 from the number on left side. You will strike this 5. You will write 15 on top. Here, you will strike this 7. You will write 6 on top. So, 15 minus 8 is now 7. 6 minus 6 is 0. 3 minus 1 is 2. That means the actual difference is 207. Estimated difference is 200. Thus, the estimated difference differs from the actual difference by 7. I hope it is clear to you. Similarly, you will try B part on your own. 957 minus 574. Thank you.